Good morning, and let's first start with the real estate sector. And Brigade Enterprises will be in focus, and this is because the company has gone ahead and signed the joint development agreement for a residential project in Hyderabad, and the total revenue potential of this particular project will stand at over 800 crores. On the back of this positive development that has come in, Brigade Enterprises will be in focus today. Lenskart, meanwhile, has reported better than expected set of numbers. Revenue is up 21% YOY. Margins too have expanded to about 20% versus 16.5% same time last year. So very strong set of numbers is what Lenskart has reported. Sugar stocks, meanwhile, the likes of Sri Renuka Sugar, Dalmia Bharat will all be in focus today, and this is on the back of a negative development actually that has come in, where Uttarakhand government has gone ahead and increased SAP prices for sugarcane. They've been hiked by 30 rupees per quintal. Sugarcane being the raw material for sugar manufacturing, this is a negative development for the entire sugar sector. Hindustan Copper, meanwhile, will also be in focus, and this because copper prices have scaled a fresh record high on London Metal Exchange. In fact, copper prices have now crossed that $11,200 per ton mark. However, this will be a negative for all copper consuming industries, the likes of wires and cable businesses. So the entire pack will also be in focus on the back of this. NCC, meanwhile, on the back of some new order wins, the company said that they won orders worth about 530 crore, and this is in addition to the 2060 crore order they've already declared and disclosed to the exchanges in the month of November. So some additional order wins that have come in. NCC perhaps could see some bit of negative positive reaction on the back of this. Arvind Smart Spaces, they've acquired a residential project in Ahmedabad, and the revenue potential stands at about 400 crores. Quick Heal, meanwhile, this is also on the back of an order win. The company says that they won an order worth about 64 odd crores. This is a 5-year government-backed contract to implement integrated cyber security solutions. Although the contract value is small, it is a 5-year government contract. Quick Heal will also be in focus on the back of this. Two other stocks in focus on the back of order wins. One is Reflex. Remember, this counter was in focus last week as well on the back of several orders that they won. They won one additional order worth about 33 odd crores. Vari Energy, meanwhile, has backed an order for supply of 140 megawatt solar modules. So yes, several stocks in focus either on the back of order wins or several other commercial launches that they've done in the quarter, and Lenskart will also be in focus on the back of strong Q2.